Hello and welcome to Raylan's. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this fantastic Ford Transit Custom Nugget. Just as I arrived with us, registration is Echo Juliet 70, Victor Papa Victor. It's finished in a silver metallic, so let's take a closer look. So it's currently set up here in what we refer to as day mode at Raylan's. One thing to add, this vehicle's only had one private owner. Before that it was Ford, so Ford plus one owner. So the Westphalia awning is out, our table and chairs is set up. Let's have a closer look. So we've got these stunning Westphalia chairs, they're really comfy. Got the nice embroidered Westphalia logo there on the seats. Got a table there which is height adjustable. That table in fact stores on the tailgate in the rear, and the chairs themselves just pop inside the van. So as I said, we're set up into day mode. So our two captain chairs are turned round, and our nice bench seat is there set up with our table. So first thing you notice here with the Nugget, in fact has two sliding doors, which makes it incredible for practicality. And we also have three 3x3 proper seats there on the rear with proper seat belts. So I'm just going to slip my shoes off before we enter, as this van is exceptionally clean and tidy. So one thing we'll notice there is that we can see the Westphalia umbrella completely still in its wrapper. And just before we jump to the rear, I'm just going to show you what it would be like sat here, looking across at our fellow passengers if they were sat there. You can see our stunning view here, looking out across South Somerset, on location here at Raylan's, Sevington. So let's just jump to the captain's seat and we can see ourselves on our view again. Plenty of glass to sit and enjoy. So as we step through into the rear, so this is very unique to the Custom Nugget, is the fact that we can walk through without actually opening or closing the doors. So we just step through here. I'm just going to show you the return that way. So now we're in our kitchen area, where we'll find we've got a nice option here of heated water as well as cold water. And our sink. Got a nice 240 volt plug socket there as well, with a 12 volt cigarette style plug socket. Underneath there we'll reveal our twin gas hob burner. A nice domestic tops there that fold away neatly. Here we just open up and we can see our Westphalia fridge, really nice and deep, and put absolutely loads in there. It's nice that it's top opening as well, so we don't have the door in the way when we're opening it. Ample storage on board as well. So we look inside these cupboards, all in exceptionally clean and tidy condition, being very well looked after by a previous owner, who was in fact a Ford enthusiast. You can see our ladder there as well. Also here we've got another 240 volt 3-pin style socket. So we're just going to jump out the van. Just put my shoes back on. There, move me. So as we get out the van, we can see here we've got a tow bar with single electrics, ideal if we want to tow a small trailer or if we want to put a bike rack, which is most people's options. Here we've installed here, we can see our shower, which we simply plug in here. Quick release attachment, and we simply just flick it on. So it's ideal for washing off dirty muddy boots, or our dog, or if we've been bodyboarding or surfing, or just simply to have a wash in the morning. It's absolutely fantastic. To the rear here we've also got rear parking sensors. We're just going to get the van set up now into night mode while we're walking around. So if we look at there as well, the roof's absolutely fantastic. There's no rips, nor snags, nor tears. Got got a nice Nugget logo there. We can see the metallic there in the paint as well. It looks absolutely fabulous in the sun. Here's our 240 volt socket for when we're on campsite. Also this side we will find our lockable water storage area, which is simply fill up with a hose pipe. So we've got alloy wheels all the way around, completely unmarked, all with fantastic Goodyear tyres all the way around. As I said, completely unmarked all the way around. On the front here we've got the superb Ford lighting as well, which is actually day running LEDs, front fog lights, and also we've got front fog lights as well, and front parking sensors. So you may have noticed also while we're here that the large yellow AA flag, as we're proud to say we're an AA Cars Standards dealer. So that means you get 12 months AA roadside free of charge with the AA. Just while we're around this side, we're just finishing off setting up. Just share with you again our fantastic view here at Railings, Sevington, Somerset, looking out across South Somerset here. It's a glorious day. So I do believe we're all set up now. So let's take a look inside. Just slip my shoes off again. So as you can see down the bottom here, we've got a large area down here for sleeping, and also when we walk through, we can use this ladder here to step up onto our absolutely massive double at the top here, which has also got the comfort springs there as well. Really nice mattress. And also while we're at the top here, we've also got lighting as well, so I just flicked one on for you now. We can see it makes a huge difference. Let's just put on the other one as well. And there we have it. That's a really large bed up here. Also is nice as well, just to show, is the fact that we can be sleeping up here while one of our other passengers could be down here making breakfast or a drink. And you could also have this set up as a table downstairs while someone's still sleeping at the top. So obviously 4 berth in total. So let's take a look in the front of the cab. So we'll just jump in and have a look. So let's start the van. So we'll just start her up. So as we can see there, we've got no warning lights. The only lights we've got there is a handbrake, which I'll just release for you now. Seatbelt warning light. The sliding door's still open as well. I need to put a drop of fuel in it. It drives absolutely superb. It's only covered 8,465 miles. That's 8,465. Just put the handbrake back on again. So on board we've got hands-free telephony, various apps we can use. We also got satellite navigation. So just select there. We also got, when we select reverse there, we've also got obviously our parking sensors, which we mentioned, air conditioning in the front here, 6-speed manual gearbox, really nice and smooth. Up here we'll find our onboard management system, which we can see here, showing us our various options. So if we just select one there, we can turn auxiliary heating on and off through that one. Cruise control there with speed limiter, and we also have adaptive cruise as well, which is a really nice feature. We got USB connectivity, controls here for our hands-free calls, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, automatic lights, 2 keys for remote locking as well. So we have it, fantastic Ford Transit Nugget. Not forgetting we've got the heated water on board. with that shower. Only having Ford as one owner and one private owner from you, so 4 + 1. Extremely low mileage, in fantastic condition. Not forgetting as well, you get that 12-month AA roadside, all ready for the summer to enjoy. So feel free to give us a call with view by appointment at all times on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Or view raylandcarsales.co.uk, where you'll find many more campers for sale. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll speak to you soon.